Good morning, friends. I hope you had a Merry Christmas and you are still enjoying your Boxing Day celebrations. I come back today with another tutorial on how to enable my Hackintosh to read my SD card. I've been hustling with this problem for quite a while, but finally I figured out a solution. I have my SD card with me, that is the SanDisk. I have two actually. One is for the Sony camera and the other on the Canon. So I was trying to read my videos or streams on my Hackintosh, but it was not enabling me because it was not detecting the SD card. So after doing quite an extensive research, I found out some text, the ones showing on your screen, Realtek card reader friend.txt. Then there is the Realtek RTL81111.txt, and finally the Realtek card reader.txt. These three kexts are very useful as they help me be able to detect my SD card. As you can see, this is my Canon SD card. It is being detected. Let me open so you can see, and you can see the images. Okay, just give it a minute. As you can see, there you go. If I open it, you can see. So what I'll do, because already you know my Hackintosh is able to read the SD card, I'll eject my SD cards. Then I'll show you how I did about it. I'm using the Clover configurator to mount my EFI. Clover. Then I'll go to the mount EFI section. Then I'll mount my partition and I'll input my password and click OK. Then I'll open my partition. So here you go. I've used the column so that you can see it side by side. And I'll go to the Clover, then to the text section, other. Okay, I'm not using OpenCore. I opted for Clover because for me it is much easier to install kexts via the Clover, and I didn't want to go through a lot of hassles using the OpenCore. As you can see, here they are. Let me close Clover, sorry. Here are my texts. As you can see, the Realtek card reader friend. Here, you can see it here. Then the Realtek RTL81111, here it is. Then finally the Realtek card reader text. So what you do is you just select them, then copy them to the other section, then reboot your PC, and that's it. So that was it for this guide. As you can see, let me again reinsert my SD card. There you go. As you can see, it automatically reads and displays my file. So that was it for this guide. As you can see, I'm able to now read my SD cards, the camera SD cards, and even the SD cards you use on your daily use on my Hackintosh. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice Boxing Day and a prosperous 2024. Remember to like, subscribe and share, and also check out my website www.winlinmactutorials.com for the written versions of the videos you see on the channel. Thank you so much for watching this guide. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.